Hi guys, from this tutorial you will know how to add a phone number to your Gate.io account. So the first thing that you want to do is to click on login. Alright, then just log into your account by using your own credentials. Then use the Google Authenticator code to log in. Then once you are logged in, then try to hover on the right side on the top and you will see the profile picture. Just click on that. And then you're going to see the security settings. That's the one that you need to hit. So once we're here, you can see like the basics. It's like, it could be like the Google Authenticator app and email verification and the SMS verification. The SMS verification is the right one that you need to set up. Right now it's off. So now that you turn it on, just hit on turn on. Once this window is open, just put your phone number and click send in order to receive the SMS code. And once you go in to get it, just put it in this tab. And once you go in to get it, just put it in this window. The second thing that you need to do is to do the same operation with the email code. So just hit send it, and then you go in to get the verification code on your email that have been attached to your account. And the final thing that you need to do, you need to go to the Google Authenticator app, or it could be other app for authentication, and then just put the one-time code and just click confirm. Okay, so once you did that, you can see that like the SMS verification is confirmed. So this phone number could be used for different kind of confirmation purposes, and now it's attached to your account. So if you find this video quite useful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you.